Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Car. A car is a small vehicle that carries people on roads. Bus. A bus is a big vehicle that carries many people together. Truck. A truck carries heavy goods from one place to another. Bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels and is moved by pedaling. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a fast two-wheel vehicle. Train. A train runs on tracks and carries many passengers. Airplane. An airplane flies in the sky and carries people far away. Helicopter. A helicopter flies in the air and can land almost anywhere. Boat. A boat travels on water. Ship. A ship is a very big boat that sails in the ocean. Ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or injured people to the hospital. Fire truck. A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. Police car. A police car helps police officers keep people safe. Tractor. A tractor is used on farms to help farmers work. Scooter. A scooter is a small two-wheel vehicle people ride on roads. Van. A van is a vehicle used to carry people or goods. Taxi. A taxi is a car that takes people to places for money. School bus. A school bus takes children to and from school. Submarine. A submarine travels deep under the water. Rocket. A rocket flies into space. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a big machine used to move dirt and rocks. Crane. A crane lifts very heavy things at construction sites. Garbage truck. A garbage truck collects trash from houses. Pickup truck. A pickup truck carries goods in its open back. Cable. Car. A cable car moves on cables high above the ground.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.